Hello, the companion service of the Alchemist Doctor channel. Today's topic: recognizing and definitively treating colds and flu completely. Influenza is a viral disease that is also known as the common cold. This disease directly targets and involves the respiratory system, nose, throat, and lungs. This viral disease can be so dangerous that it leads to the death of people. Usually these people are children under 5 years old, especially those who are less than 6 months old. Seniors over 65 years old, medical staff and nurses, pregnant women and women who are in the first 2 weeks after giving birth, people with a weak immune system, people who have underlying diseases such as asthma, heart disease, kidney patients, liver problems, diabetes, etc. People who are very fat. More people than others are exposed to this disease, and this disease is very dangerous for them. Common cold symptoms usually start with a sore throat and usually go away after a day or two. On the 4th and 5th days, symptoms of nasal congestion, runny nose and stuffy nose appear along with cough. Fever is not common in adults, but a mild fever may occur and is more likely to occur in children with colds. Influenza symptoms are much more severe than the common cold and have a rapid onset, and symptoms include sore throat, fever, headache, muscle aches, stuffy nose and cough, while swine flu in particular is associated with vomiting and diarrhea. Most flu symptoms gradually improve within 2 to 5 days and rarely last more than a few weeks. Pneumonia is the most common complication of the flu, especially in young people, the elderly, and people with heart and lung problems, and if you experience shortness of breath, be sure to see a doctor. Prevention methods include flu vaccine, frequent hand washing, staying away from coughing people, not being with a sick person in a room without airflow, proper nutrition, nasal drainage. Home remedies for flu or cold. 1. Drinking water and liquids. Drinking water and other liquids is more important when you have the flu. This issue is necessary in both cases of respiratory flu or digestive flu. Water helps keep the nose, mouth, and throat moist. This moisture helps the body to get rid of the accumulation of mucus and phlegm. If you generally do not eat or drink normally, your body will become dehydrated. Diarrhea and fever can also cause the body to lose water and become dehydrated. Using these fluids can compensate your body's dehydration. Coconut water, herbal tea, fresh fruit juice, soup, mee broth or chicken soup, raw fruits and vegetables. Normal frequency and quantity of urine. And almost clear or pale yellow urine is a sign that your body is not dehydrated. 2. Resting or sleeping along with strengthening the immune system helps your body fight viruses well and increases the recovery rate. 3. The use of zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral for the body's immune cells and reduces the length of treatment. 4. Using a fumigator. Dry air inside the house and closed places make sore throats and painful coughs worse. The humidifier humidifies the air you breathe and makes it easier to bear the disease. 5. Eating hot chicken broth and soup to help maintain body water and stay hydrated, and these foods also help to reduce and eliminate nasal and sinus congestion. 6. Keep yourself upright as much as possible. When you lie on your back, mucus collects in the sinus cavities and causes infection and chronic sinusitis. Instead of lying down, rest at 45 degrees. 7. Gargle salt water. Gargling salt water is one of the flu home remedies that can relieve a sore throat. This also helps to remove mucus. You should add salt to boiling water and gargle after it cools down. The use of honey, mushrooms, green tea, orange juice, ginger, garlic, kiwi, almonds, carrots is very effective in the process of your disease, and each of them helps you in the treatment of the disease. When should we see a doctor? If your symptoms do not improve after using home remedies for the flu and you notice the following symptoms, you should see a doctor. If you have a fever above 38 degrees Celsius, if symptoms do not improve after a week or two, difficulty breathing, chest pain, shivering or sweating, abnormal color of mucus, the presence of blood in the mucus, severe cough. People suffering from the following diseases should see a doctor immediately if they suspect the flu: asthma, heart disease, lung disease, diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, stroke, epilepsy, anemia. Generally, in such cases, the doctor prescribes antiviral drugs to help reduce the symptoms and duration of the flu. These drugs work best if taken within the first 2 days after getting the flu. If you have been with us so far in the video, don't forget to like and comment and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support.